What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Tesla video. Today I'm going to talk about a small glitch in the Tesla app that might make it a little bit more useful for you. So in the newest version of the app, you can actually hold down the quick icons and then like rearrange them and customize them to your liking. So you can see here, I have the lock, unlock, climate control, charging, and then open up my frunk. So you are limited to just four of these icons, like four quick icons. And when you drag and drop over top, it just kind of replaces the one that's there. But there is room for a fifth icon, which I'm about to show you right now. So you can see there is actually five icons on my screen, and they're fully functional. They all work. I'm going to explain to you how to do it. So you come here, you hold down the icon, and then the one that you want to have as the fifth one, because you can't change it afterwards, is you just keep dragging it across. So you can see I'm doing honk and home link, and eventually in the corner it's going to pop up. So there's all the icons. I can still change the top four, and then I can just scroll down and hit save, and just like that, I got five icons, five quick icons that I can access. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Subscribe, like, comment. See you next time.